So we had our tree break and fall on the ground during a windstorm. And in this tree, there was a bird's nest. And I was so afraid that the birds would leave, but they have, it looks like they're trying to start over. You see the guy here on my fence? They haven't gone anywhere. You know why? Because this is where the food is. But it looks like the birds are going to stay around, and they're trying to kind of take up residence in the tree that's left standing. And I'm so happy about that, because I thought we were going to lose our bird friends when their home was destroyed by nature. But look, they're in the tree. They are staying around, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. They make me happy. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? What is that? Ow, wow, I've got orbs everywhere. That's crazy. There's my birdie friends. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. They didn't go nowhere. They're gonna stick around. Yay!